Well, ladies and gentlemen, a very, very good morning to every one of you. It's wonderful to be blessed with an opportunity to talk amidst so many intellectuals. We have people from the medicine field, we have people who've been serving education for so long, and then we have parents, and I think it's a blessed opportunity for me. Let me admit, it was 2014, wherein I was supposed to give my PhD Viva. 2014 के बाद अब तक मैंने PowerPoint presentation use नहीं किया है. But now, because this topic is something which within 8 minutes I have to speak something, I have to give proper insights. I didn't want to elaborate much. And the intent behind, generally it is said that if there is power in the point, you don't require PowerPoint. But the intent behind giving few slides is probably if some snaps or some notes, if you keep. The reason is the people who are sitting down over here, I think most of them are educators. How many of you are teachers here? Please raise your hands. Wonderful. So these people have the responsibility of passing it on to others. I mean, it's something like we are trying to have a discussion which you have to carry forward at different levels. Let me give you a small background for the program. It was told that in an autism spectrum, the number of children who are falling has increased substantially post-lockdown because the children do not have social life. The children have been addicted to gadgets and things like that. Then what we thought is, at some level, if the teachers, the educators are given an opportunity to have some level of assessment, probably they can be the drivers of that change. They can inform the parents that the child requires a little bit of intervention, and probably that time we'll be able to do lots and lots of justice to those students who are responsible. I believe, as a teacher for the past 19 years now, that I think the power of a teacher. In management, we use this statement that the authority lies in the hands of the beholder. So similarly, our success depends on how happy students are with us as teachers. So I think this was the intent. Mr. Chiranjeevi, a wonderful name, but I want the PowerPoint. So are we ready for it? Pin drop silence. Class are we ready for it, teachers? Good. Thank you so much. Let me just give a little bit of briefing. We are going to talk about family as a primary partner in child's development and school readiness. Now, these two terms are probably a bit new for some of us. School readiness and, of course, child's development is what we have been doing for the past so many years. I think there are teachers who are having more than 10 years, 12 years of experience, and they have been here. So I think we will quickly run with the first slide. On our first slide, can we have it quickly? So I concise my talk in 3 points. The first one is the changing family structure in India and its effect on child development. The second one will be family and development of social emotional skills. And the last part, parental engagement and school readiness. I think let's not talk tall, but if I talk about the first point, family structure in India has changed. We used to have joint families, long families, and now we are in the era wherein nuclear families may be distance between, people living in a nuclear family is also large. So I think we will have few insights into it. Changing family structures say what is the impact which has been created. Friends, एक दौर में जब दादा दादी हुआ करते थे, चाचा चाची सब होते थे, तो एक बच्चे के डेवलपमेंट के अंदर इनका इंटरेक्शन बहुत अहम हो जाता था. Because a grandmother would know what has to happen when. I'm telling you, blessed are those families who have grandparents, and blessed are those children who have grandparents, because these are the people who have seen the entire era and their expertise and their knowledge will help the children to become more and more successful. And if you can change the slide. So we were talking about the disintegration of the joint family system, and we are on the verge of having a nuclear family system which is clearly emerging. Now friends, the impact to a child, the difference what has happened. The child's social life has been affected. Now he has one sibling, at the most 2 or 3. That is the, the maximum number in present day era. The peer learning which we talk of, that is being affected because of this. The joint family has its own advantages and its own disadvantages. But from this perspective, if we see, the basic disadvantage of not having a joint family is there are so many people who can affect your child, who can correct your child. That part is missing. Also, the profile of the nuclear families which is there. Now both mother and father, they have to work, and gone are the days कि 9 to 5 का job किया, 5 o'clock को वापस घर आए, and we give time to the family. Today the workplace has no boundaries. Everybody has seen it. I think the teachers have experienced it. All of a sudden the government says kal se schools open, kal se schools closed, and immediately the managements, what they have to do is we have to start using social media, WhatsApp, this, that, and keep you on toes and always busy. This is the same case in every sector. Lockdown to hua tha, magar work was not closed. So we now don't have, limited time periods and things like that. So family time has been affected. Had it been, our joint family system, the advantage would have been that if mother and father are busy, there was somebody back home who would ensure that the child is developing, the child is progressing. Now, with nuclear family having its own advantages, I personally believe advantages ke saath, there are lots of responsibilities also which have come upon the parents. Now, they have to do the role of everyone. अगर घर में grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, 4 people extra का responsibility.
What we do, you can see it anywhere. आप कहीं पे भी देख लीजिए. The only thing we do is बच्चे को खाना खिलाना है, take the cell phone. You have to pacify him, give him cell phone. Because our apartments, our houses are not so big that we can allow children to have outdoor games. We don't have time to take children out for walk and park. We don't have time that children develop their physical capabilities. So the best thing, only to console. नहीं तो बच्चा रोते रहता, अब्बा इससे अच्छा ले भाई, take the cell phone or put him, addict him to some kind of a gadget or something like that. Child will be pacified. हालत ये है, I think everybody will agree and accept कि it has become like a reflex action. बच्चे को जब कार्टून देखना होता है, he'll say मम्मी भूख लग रही है. He does that. Everybody has experienced it. If he wants to see the cartoon, he says I'm feeling hungry. Understanding? तो ये family structure का बहुत बड़ा impact हुआ है. तो I think I don't have to say that you have to do something onto it, but you as educators have to do a little bit of counseling whenever you meet parents that they need to spend some time. And how and what they need to do. If we can have the next slide, please. If we talk about this skill, it is a skill. It's not something which is inborn. Social and emotional skill. Skills are something जो बच्चों के अंदर सिखाए जा सकते हैं, पैदा किए जा सकते हैं. So, इसका छोटा सा definition, the yellow things are the highlighted ones. What are social emotional skills is, a child should be able to understand one's own feelings. That is important. Next, he should be able to comprehend the emotional state in others. माने सामने वाले की क्या इमोशनल स्टेट है, उसके सामने किस तरह से बात की जाए. आजकल वर्क प्लेस में भी आप ये ऑब्जर्व करते होंगे कि इवन अमंगस्ट एडल्ट्स दिस सोशल इमोशनल स्किल इज लैगिंग. We find people, that the person in front of you is going through a different emotional state. उसका मिजाज, उसकी हालत कुछ और है, बावजूद इसके आप ऐसी कोई बात कर देते हो जो उसके दिल को तकलीफ पहुंचा देती है. So this skill is lacking. The children should develop this skill. They should be able to manage emotions and regulate their behavior. अगर गुस्सा भी आ गया तो उसको regulate कर पाना है. Over excitement, they have to be regulated. And the last part, they have to sustain relationships. आप If at all you do not agree with any one of the point, I'm sure there's nobody who does that, but I think these are some things which are taken for granted. But yes, the children should know to understand their own feelings, whether it is fear or happiness, whether it is, anxiety, whether it is anything, the child should be able to understand. सामने वाले के emotions को comprehend कर पाना. Should be able to manage their emotions, regulate their behavior, and they have to sustain relationships. And how do they do this? Can we have the next slide, please? For this, I think the parents have an important role to play. They have to expand, I repeat, they have to expand the circle of influence. This is what goes with our joint family. हमारे बच्चों पे आप दादा दादी या फिर हमारे कोई चाचा चाची या some uncle and aunt, they say something to the child. Immediately the parents will say, हमारे बच्चे के पीछे. I mean, it is taken in the negative sense always nowadays. The parents are responsible. I think the teachers must also be experiencing this. Teacher, I still remember, although I still don't support, Umesh bhai, if you remember, आपको स्कूल में कभी मार पड़ी है? मेरे को भी पड़ी है. Everybody. It's not that I'm advocating corporal punishment. Of course, at that time, it was acceptable. But now, आप जोर से कुछ बोल भी दिए बच्चे को, it goes to the parents, and the parents come back in a different tone. This has become a mindset. Again, I am not advocating any kind of corporal punishment or something like that. मगर जो बर्दाश्त का मादा जिसको हम बोलते हैं, the level of tolerance that has declined, and the parents are the. अब अगर बच्चा टीचर की कंप्लेन लाता है या बच्चे की कंप्लेन कोई और लाता है, तो you feel as if you are being victimized. ऐसा लगता है कि बच्चे के ऊपर जुल्म हो रहा है. तो बच्चे का सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस हमको बढ़ाना है. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एल्स एक स्टेज ऐसा आ जाएगा जब आपकी बात भी बच्चे को बहुत बुरी लगेगी. दैट स्टेज विल कम wherein even what you say, the child will not be able to bear that. So I think the circle of influence have to be increased, and they have to be efforts to ensure that we have happy children. Or iske liye, I think there are some things, some steps which you can discuss it with the parents whenever you get a chance to. Keeping fingers crossed, COVID goes, and June we have schools reopen. I think everybody is, every one of us, we are longing. How many of you are longing to go back to class, teachers? घर में बैठे बैठे बोर हो रहा? Everyone, great. It is always, teaching by profession is a wonderful profession, I'm telling you. It has so much of interactions. Every day there is a new challenge. Every day there is a new kid. Every day there is a new smile. आज इस बच्चे को खुश देखा, कल उसको आप खुश देख रहे हो, तो आपके अंदर there is lots and lots of ऊर्जा and energy which develops. ओके, तो थोड़ी चीजें जो आप पेरेंट्स को बता सकते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज, ये चीज डेवलप करने के लिए बच्चे जो 5 इयर्स से कम होते हैं, थिंक आउट लाउड. माने आप बच्चों को बताइए कि ऐसे इंस्टेंस में वी हैव टू डू दिस. आप रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हो अपने बच्चे के साथ, लेट अस से इफ यू आर क्रॉसिंग अ रोड, यू हैव टू टेल, वहां से कार आ रही है, लेट अस वेट. द चाइल्ड नोस कि द कार इज कमिंग एंड आई हैव टू वेट. इट इज वेरी हॉट, लेट अस स्टैंड इन द शेड. तो जो आप थिंक कर रहे हैं, थिंक इट आउट लाउड. दैट इज वन थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज रीड बेड टाइम स्टोरीज. Mothers and fathers over here, the best time to interact is, just imagine, I still, I'll cherish those moments when I am going to sleep and my daughter is beside me and both of us are talking. That's a wonderful time, wonderful moment. Because, मतलब न दुनिया का गम है, न रिश्तों के बंधन वाला फीलिंग है. You are there and your daughter is beside you or your son is beside you. There's nothing else to discuss at that time. वो जो interaction होता है, वो हम मिस कर रहे हैं. आज भी आपको you will definitely able to relate at least one family जहां पे बच्चों को टीवी देखते देखते सो जाओ बोलते हैं. Refrigerator, make the children do a job that inculcates a feeling of dignity of labor inside the children. Children should love to do that work. When we were in school, I think most of us remember, हम श्रमदानम की बात करते थे. जन्मभूमि कार्यक्रम में श्रमदानम, we remember taking broomsticks, झाड़ू लेके स्कूल के ग्राउंड को झाड़ू लगाया गया. That was the program called as Janmabhoomi, जिसमें श्रमदान was one thing. Playing games, assign small responsibilities to the children. Okay, this helps them to develop some, a sense of responsibility. Entertain both sibling affection and sibling rivalry. दोनों को भी आपको entertain करना है. There should be love between brothers and sisters, और थोड़ा सा अगर rivalry भी आए, तो at that point of time, children will learn how to tackle situation when there is a rival or somebody who is in dissent or in disagreement with you, opposite to you. I mean, these are all, family in itself is one big university, and these are the skills which children can definitely be trained in, and that's why they are called as skills. Celebrate success, shun fear, and please hear. That is important. The children should shun fear, and you should hear. उनकी छोटी से छोटी, मामूली से मामूली अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो you have to ensure that you hear. They should be free to talk to you. Because the other day when I was addressing one session with the Telangana State Council for Child Protection, TSCPCR, Protection of Child Rights, there were many children who feared talking to their own mother and father. कुछ गलत अगर होता है, तो they should have that. And we see, like, there are so many instances wherein, if you remember, the Indian National Congress was instituted as a safety valve during the freedom struggle. Safety valve was जिस तरह से कुकर के अंदर एक ऊपर safety valve लगाते हैं, जब भी pressure ज़्यादा है, the valve goes up and the pressure is released. तो agitation हमारा freedom struggle में अगर बहुत ज़्यादा pressure आ गया, तो Congress अपना stage के ज़रिए से it used to release that pressure. Similarly, the children should be given that safety valve. इतना भी pressure उनके अंदर develop नहीं हो जाना चाहिए कि that they take some extreme steps. So all these things beforehand. And the last slide, I'm not taking it long. We have parental engagement and school readiness. I think this is one thing which is very important for parents as well as for teachers. What is school readiness? That range of abilities which is important before a child gets into school. He should be ready for that, right? So ये चीजों के लिए what has to be done? It all depends on individual capacities, resources and opportunities. I think this is very verbose. School readiness ka definition, I think it is very much there. I'll just take up one slide. Next slide, Anna. Yeah, these 5 things which are there down, I think if the children are trained in this, they get ready for the school, because ek bar the start is wrong. This gap between those who are ready and who are not ready converts into academic gains, and that's lots of pressure. That's lots of pressure. So physical health and well-being is one thing which parents and teachers have to look into. Social competence, emotional maturity, language skills and cognitive skills, communication skills, and the common general knowledge. So if this is addressed, I think inequalities in school readiness will lead to achievement gaps which widen over the time. So without taking much time, I think some justice has been done to the topic. After a long time, as I said, I've started using the PPTs, but as a family, as teachers, we have responsibilities, and every one of us have to strive hard, work hard, so that we spread smiles on the faces of these children who will always remember you, just like you remember people who have made you what you are. We didn't have any modern learning apps, but still we produced APJ Abdul Kalam, we produced Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. It was because of teachers and the family. Trust yourself. No technology, no any new methodology can replace what you as teachers and what you as parents can do to a child's life. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience, and I apologize for starting late, and probably I have exceeded 3 or 4 minutes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the very informative session. I'm sure the audience would benefit from those inputs.